Manufacturing Talk Radio is here with Genesis Systems Group. We're about to look at a very cool piece of technology that people can actually see in 3 dimensions what they're trying to make when it becomes something very large, and you don't want to make the first one, have an oops, make another one, have an oops. We have Justin Each with us here. He's going to explain what we're looking at, and then we'll take some video, and you actually can see what it looks like in 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions. Justin, thank you.
Yeah, how's it going?
Good.
So thanks. Genesis System Group purchased the 3D immersive system from Mechdyne. We utilize it with our software package called Delmia. That's what we do our concepting and proof of design with. So we can basically put a concept together of a machine for a potential customer that they've never seen. Maybe they don't have a robot, but now they can virtually walk around the entire machine in 3D without having to purchase something or even have a lot of in-depth, discussions. Just gets more detail shown throughout the process.
So all they need is what kind of software? A CAD drawing, a blueprint, and you guys create it in 3D?
Yeah, so we have a very extensive library with Delmia that we build with the concepts. We build it from our library and can put a concept together. We also can import their customer part geometry. So we can import the models and then do reach analysis and make sure we have the accurate robot size appropriately. We have enough track for motion with the robot, just so we're not undersizing the system for the part or oversizing it and charging too much. So kind of de-risking the entire project for everybody.
I've heard de-risking a lot. Really, what does that mean to the purchaser, Justin?
So for us, we want to de-risk the project, obviously, and lower the risk with making a mistake with the design. Maybe we undersize something, the robot can't reach the entire part. For the customer, it's a very big risk for them to put their faith into us as an integrator. It's a large capital expenditure for a lot of different manufacturing facilities. So for us to be able to show them exactly what we're going to provide before they make a purchase is very powerful.
Great, Justin, thank you. Now we're going to shoot some video footage of this particular technology. Really cool stuff. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Now, Justin, this is a welding application. I understand that you have software for other applications as well. Is that right?
Yeah, so Genesis, basically, we started with welding. That's our bread and butter. We also do material removal. We do laser welding, laser etching. Kind of anything you could do with a robot, we'll do it. We do non-destructive inspection as well for the aerospace markets.
Okay, so you are working with large OEMs on some of their designs?
Yeah, so we also have software package for weld distortion and VSA. So we can take a customer geometry part again and actually simulate adding the heat input from the weld to the part. So we can simulate, are we going to make a good part by adding all the heat distortion once the weld is complete. So before we even start a process, we may be making bad welds due to heat or due to just a lot of tolerances stacked up. That's what the VSA software does. We can import all the tolerances, stack them up, run a 5,000 part simulation very quickly, and determine can we even make a good part to their print before we even start with any tooling and all the other stack-ups that could potentially cause problems.
That's some terrific technology. Justin Each with Genesis Systems Group. Thank you for sharing that with us. I'm Tim Grady with Manufacturing Talk Radio.